Good afternoon and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name. Waiting at your name.
Mwalimu
Alright. Class, how much where you dey?
class 3,
Okay. I must see where you old.
10 years.
Now, who that send you for cancel water?
I'm your auntie.
Where you mama and you papa?
They're not there.
Okay. Where you auntie send you for cancel? Your mama and papa know say you dey sell?
Yeah.
Okay. So this you auntie will send you for cancel. Now wetin you can do with the money where you can go get an house? What your auntie can do with the money where you don't sell done?
To buy for me.
Okay. You know feel say na your auntie na responsible for take care of you?
Yeah.
Alright. So how you feel when you dey sell understand as small as you are? Like when you small so how you feel when you dey sell understand?
I feel bad.
Okay. So who say your mama and papa dey?
They're in a village.
So when your auntie go take you na village, wetin e tell you mama and papa say e dey can do for you?
Saying they come in.
So when e don come with you for come so you glad the way you dey sell?
No.
Good afternoon and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
My name is Ishaka Selu,
Alright. Ishaka, I must hear where you own.
13 years old.
Say you dey.
Mayambao Road.
Right. You dey go school?
Yes, sir.
Class how much where you dey?
Form 1.
Ishaka, you dey sell banana under this hot burning sun and most of you company them either they dey go school or then they na host dey study. So like how you feel as pikin?
I know they feel fine. Why they see me company dey study, I go and myself, massive on here for make a study.
So like if you get like the advantage for go meet the president of Salone for talk to am, what you go ask am for me do for you?
I'll make it do for me. But good thing,
Like waiting so.
like for me education business. Like mama na family lay, papa na family lay.
And we just talk to you few of you company them wait until we say then they benefit from the free education. Now you school where you dey go, they don't ever supply you book.
Yes, ma.
Alright, and your school fees now you people then they pay for you or government don already pay.
Government don already pay.
So what make you mama or you papa for send you for cancel banana?
Because we not get.
But you not facing that responsibility like for you lunch considering the fact that government don already pay for your fees.
Yes, ma.
Alright, so what's not the message wey they send to parents them out there where they give them picking and market for cancel?
Because of for me the when they struggle, me the pick they go to help them or go to do business.
Thank you very much, yeah.
Thank you, ma.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Andrew Ansumana.
Alright. And Sumana, how much are you?
Me, I'm 12 years old.
Okay, so who's are you there?
Me, I didn't have borrow.
Alright. You dey go school?
Yes, ma'am.
Class how much you dey?
Class 6.
I see you dey sell plastic na Moyamba Junction. Now who that send you for sale?
Me, mama na in can send me for sale.
Where you mama? Who's in there?
Mama in the house.
Okay, so Indian house you not get nothing where they do na house.
No, na cook, na don't go cook.
So how you feel as speaking for them and street under this sunny also for sale?
I don't feel fine. But I just called mama for sale because I got for cafe me lunch for sale. I got for cafe me lunch, so I got for go to school. And now she don't angry one. I dey see me company they buy chop that they eat me they she they watch there. She na fra make me back at the castle for family lunch back I go she buy chop I go dey eat.
And so man, now where you big? What you want for be?
I want for be a lawyer.
Where you be a lawyer? What thing you go do for help you company picking them at this present stage?
So why don't be a lawyer? What I go come to me company I ask for it. So I go to see there. If I get smooth, I go to get there. I talk to them. So any day I go to come to them. It's I go get the chance.
Okay. If you get the opportunity for common and street now for sale, by that hour there, what if you say you supposed for they do?
I forgot to study.
So what now the message they send to the government?
Ma?
What are the message they send to the government who are responsible for education, Ministry of Education?
I dey talk for the government because it good for we better thing because the government in good in supply good books, in good free education there and back. He say back we not for pay we mama there he said not for pay. So I dey tell her beaucoup thank you because what you don't do in a fine help and they don't give you. For mama they won't make we not go suffer.
Let me take it to you. Yeah?
Okay, ma.
Good afternoon and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Yes, ma.
What's your name?
My name Bobson Tagawali.
Alright, Bobson, now what you dey sell?
Me na plastic me dey sell, ma.
I must see where you old.
Me na 11 years old.
What I send you for can sell plastic?
And mama send me so I go dey can sell plastic. Ma friend me have lunch.
Alright, so what your mama in they do?
Mama dey na house. In back dey sell half market.
Right. You know if you say that market where your mama they sell it enough for make you give you lunch?
Na true, ma. If they give me,
So why you demand like in demand fit say necessary say pass you self cancel what you supposed for the study the hour there?
and so I don't sell by then 4 o'clock. I go now so I go study now. Net.
So how you can cope na school like when you don't come for cancel in the afternoon and then you get for go rest and in the morning back you get for go school. How you can cope? You not can tire?
Because why I go now school, why I come out school, and they cancel again. I study no more now, kill left foot. Net. Past the Thursday they say Sunday or Saturday. I don't know they can. We know they go school again. I don't know how they day for sale.
But you believe say and you know say that you right as speaking for make you parents them take care of you and make you not be the one where they like feed yourself when you they go school.
Yes, ma.
You know that day?
Yes, ma.
Alright, so what now the message you they send to parents them out there where they send them picking them for go sell? What you go tell comrade where they sell them picking them for go sell?
Me I dey tell you come they say what they send them kid na for go school they go learn better book. They go tell like the big people in this country here.
You say them go tell like big people in this country. So what you want be where you big?
I want be like minister, doctor, anything.
So when you be minister tomorrow, what did you go do for picking them?
Are the authority they don't sell for the land like me.
Alright, thank you very much. Yeah?
Thank you too.
Good afternoon and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name and whose class you dey.
My name is Adam Bangura. I am in class 6.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Okay, would I send you for cancel?
I'm a sister.
Alright. This guy where you dey sell, where you don't sell and done, what your sister can do with the money?
They buy for me things there.
Where your sister, what you in they do?
In Bana market they sell.
Okay. Where una parents them?
They in a house.
What in then they do?
They do farming work.
Okay. When you dey go school now, your parents can pay for you or you save the benefit from the free quality education?
Myself, I the benefit from the free quality education.
Alright, you don't ever receive items like books and pen?
Yes, ma.
You know if you say we picking the go school now in mama and papa then responsibility for gear lunch?
Yes, ma.
So how you feel as speaking when you dey understand by now wait for the study for sell gari?
I already feel fine.
Right? So if you get chance, what you go and let them do for you?
I want they go dey provide for me. Like go dey study in a house.
So how does they affect you? You grade them na school, you study. Like when you don't can understand for long, when you go na house, you go tired and feel for sleep. How it can affect you when you don't sell down and you want for study?
I'm not able for study.
So what's that the message wey they send so the one that were responsible for education, business and salon?
Let them help me.
Plenty take it to you. Yeah?
Okay, ma.
Good afternoon and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
My name Musa Kabia.
Alright, Musa Amos here where you old?
14 years.
You go school?
Yes, sir.
Class Amos where you dey?
From 2.
Well, when you dey go school so you glad as school pikin for they understand the sell wey for doing na host the study?
No.
So what thing you go want like make them do for you so that your situation go change?
I made they do for me, let us stop for good sell.
You company them just talk about how government they assist them with the education side and books them. You don't ever receive such things that like book and pen at school from government?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma.
Now who that send you for cancel?
Na me mama.
What do your mama in they do?
Na business woman.
Out of that business the way they do, you not think say it enough for make able for take care of you?
Yes, ma.
So what it make you feel say he decide for send you in a street for cancel?
Now we can live, we sell for our girl lunch.
But you know, feel say na mama and papa the responsibility for take care of them pikin them while they go na school.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Like when una dey sell na street, so una dey run after them or to car them. Una really dey at risk. What you get for say concerning that?
Huh?
When una dey sell na street, they run after them or to car them for make them buy. Like when new person can at the time for make he can buy. Like you know, if you say una dey at risk.
Yeah.
What make you say una dey at risk? Una don't ever get incidents where motor car dey jam pikin?
Yes, ma.
Okay, so what's not the message where you dey send to your parents them and also to other parents them where they send pikin at street for cancel?
I dey try for tell them say let them stop for go dey send me for cancel. Na them for provide for you anything.
Majority of you company they don't talk say na for make them able for get lunch for go na school where dem go na school dem go eat so that dem no go see dem company dey eat and dem feel bad na make dem dey cancel. What are the message wey dey send to government concerning una lunch business na school?
I dey try for tell them say with mama dem and with papa dem what dem dey sell so na dey keep pull lunch dem dey give you. One day dem no wan dey pull lunch dem give school pikin at school pass na with parents dem dey give you.
So if you say government for dey provide food for una na school?
Yeah, today wey I be dey class 6 dem be dey provide food for we na school but now dem no do that again.
Alright, now which type of food dem dey provide for una?
Dem dey cook rice, dem dey cook anything like acheke so all dem dey do that the all bulk all dem be dey cook am.
Okay. But when dem be dey give una dem thing you be dey can sell again?
No.
You no be dey sell the ten dem wey dem be dey provide lunch for una na school?
Ah.
Alright, so when na the message you dey tell the government so that dem go come back and begin do the thing wey dem be dey do?
I dey try for say let dem talk to the government say let dem provide food for we na school.
Let's take it to you.
Oh.